Thanksgiving vacuum test for 2020. 3 years in a row we did. 2017, 2018, 2019, now 2020. And now first starting off, we're going to start off with a new member in our collection. I've had the same one before, but the parts that were broken on my last one, it was the bag. This is a Kirby G-Series, Ultimate G-Series. And then we have one of the cool members of our collection, the Eureka Optima. And then the Hoover Wind Tunnel. Here, let me clear this off so you can see the sign of the wind tunnel duct, whatever you want to call it. Here you go. And then, sign off the tool cover as well. And then the Dyson DC-33, and then the Dyson DC-14, which helps shred the leaves along with this Kirby Centria over here. I can show you guys. This one. Alright, we gotta wait for the signal.
Get going!
There it is, let's go. A lot better. How about the Eureka Optima 431 DX? Now the Wind Tunnel by Hoover. Alright, that's a lot. Now it's time for the Dyson DC-33. Now, last but not least, the Dyson DC-14. Anyways, that's it for the Thanksgiving vacuum test. Hope you enjoyed, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Gobble gobble.
See?